back out here, you got your, it's all painted, light, skylights all complete. This fireplace is all done. Let's go out and try to get the deck. Kind of see it. That's all done. Here's the stairs. This kitchen from out here. It's the guest room, all painted. And here, it's Mom again, and hello, master bedroom, painted. Floors are in, vanities in. No crapper yet, just a hole for it. All painted. That's it. Goodbye.